In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two PDF documents in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This process can be incredibly helpful for those of you who need to track changes or ensure accuracy across document versions. Let's dive right in and walk through the necessary steps. First, make sure you open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. It's important to note that this functionality is unique to the Pro version, so if you're using the free Reader version, you'll need to upgrade to access these tools. Once you have the Pro version ready to go, we can start with the process of comparing your PDF documents. Next, let's move on to locating the Compare tool within the application. If you're on the main screen, you will want to look towards the top where you'll see a tab labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. You're now in the Tools menu, and from here, you'll see an option labeled Compare Files. Go ahead and select that. This tool is specifically designed to help you compare different versions of your PDF files with ease. Now that you're in the Compare tool, you'll notice two fields where you can upload your PDF documents. One labeled Old File and the other as New File. The old file generally represents your original document or an earlier version, meaning it's the one you're looking to compare against. Meanwhile, the new file will be the updated or revised version. It's crucial to make sure you select the PDFs that correctly correspond to these descriptions. Otherwise, the comparisons may not provide the insights you're looking for. With the fields in view, click on Select File for each field to browse your computer and choose the appropriate PDFs to upload. The tool will guide you through this, making it straightforward to execute correctly. Once both files are uploaded, you are all set to perform a comparison. In a short time, Adobe Acrobat Pro will provide you with a detailed report showing differences, additions, and deletions between the two PDFs, making it easy to see what's been changed or updated. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to compare two PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This feature is invaluable for professionals and anyone needing to keep track of document revisions, ensuring every change is noted and accounted for. So the next time you need to manage versions or double-check updates, you know exactly how to handle it with ease. Thank you for following along today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips like this. Until next time, happy document reviewing!